Efficiency is the first and foremost in buying a capital equipment, because people focus more on the capital equipments. That's what we call it as capex. But actually, the importance comes on the OpEx, that is operational expenses. Because capital equipment is purchased once, but operation is going to go for lifelong, maybe for 10 years, 15 years, as long as the product is having its life. And we always focus on the product life cycle management, PLM we call. That's where all the focuses in terms of our design, our features, product advantages compared to our competitors, what market wants. We focus more on the operational expenses. For example, your oil consumption, your fuel consumption, your wear parts, and the time of operation. Like for example, if we say that this wear part works for 400 hours, we ensure that it works for 400 hours. There are cases, we may come across when the rock is hard, or when the adverse conditions of market is there, or if an product is not being handled by a person who is semi-skilled or who is not skilled enough to handle equipment. So there are some cases where the product loses its charm during the course, but still we ensure that the design has its own features to take care of the operational cost, OpEx. So far, it has come only to the biodiesel engines, bio engines, but it has still not come to the our kind of equipments. But I don't see it far, because the developments are happening in a rapid way, and with the fuel shortages, and India is a country which is importing fuel, one of the largest importers. So that's what is determining the factor of the GDP of India, and also the currency situation between dollar and parity between Indian rupee. So we need to reduce our imports, and we need to look at biofuel and green fuel. So I think the developments will happen, and we will definitely adapt it. Today the supply chain is like you want to buy from a friend to another friend, or you want to buy from a friend to another enemy, or you want to buy from frenemies. So that's a kind of a situation today it's happening in the market. So the geopolitical situation is hotting, and a lot of logistics and supply chain issues are coming. So the best thing is, if you can have a product, we are very proud to tell that our product is a made in India product. So complete, we are part of the Make in India, and we are a 25-year-old company, completely designed, manufacturing, production, supply, services, everything is done from India. And we will be able to meet all the supply chain challenges, since we already have a lot of localization advantage.
Yeah, the thing is that the ease of doing business, what we are focusing now, because how simplified we can able to provide solution to the customers is the way why digitalization we are looking for. Because in digitization, what we are looking is that how easily the customer can get the benefit, and how simply they can able to monitor their productions. That way we are improving our technology. Yeah, the innovations means what in mining we are focusing is the timing. Because timing is very important in mining. If you are pitching at the right time, only we will get the output. And even if the mining is highly concerned with the project timing also. So what innovation we are putting forward is the reducing the lead time regarding the supplies and the installations. And even if on the next day, if you can able to get the ROI, that will be the best thing. What we are focusing. Okay.
Innovation is not just ending with quarrying from the stones, but we also started doing it on the dams. Quarrying from the dam. So what is the importance of doing quarrying from the dams is to strengthen the dam, to improve the quality of the water in the dam, to improve the capacity of the dam, and more than that, we always believe that you can strengthen the dam by removing the slit, by removing the waste, and also using it for sand and aggregates.